Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Hall. Say hi.
Hi.
Today we have the Cute Stone temperature sensing wash up sink, kitchen sink. So this is active. You put water in it.
Yeah.
So let's open it up. See everything that we get. Oh, you need 2 AA batteries, not included.
Whoa.
Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. So many pieces. Okay, put that bag away. Oh, it seems like you're an expert already. Okay, so this is where you put the batteries in. Right back there. So let's get that with a screwdriver.
I want to open the box first.
Okay, give me a second. Let's get this up and running. You're silly. How'd you get so silly?
Seeker, fill up
Oh, okay.
water. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this
So that's your battery
Bucket.
compartment open.
this big bucket.
And you put one AA there, another one there. Oh, it's on. Okay, so that's the on-off switch. So let's turn that off. Oh, hang on. And then we got to fill this with water. And I believe there is a embossed water line on here, so we fill it up to that line right there. Okay.
Yeah.
So you should do that by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put. So fill that up. Okay, this goes in. Oh, put this in. So it fits like that. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's see what we get inside here. I should have written that back. Okay, so you get some flatware, a couple cups, 2 teapots, thing for washing some fruit, a pretend cleanser. So okay, so we got the warm water. I don't know, tilt it too far forward. We'll put it in there. We'll put that on top. We'll put that in like this. Turn the switch on, and you have running water. And there we go, clean it. Okay, we'll put that over here. You want to wash this?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty cool. Okay. So anyway, pretty neat. I love how it recycles the water. You like it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want it.
Okay. We dump that water in there. Okay, anyway, Brian and Aiden from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there. Goodbye.
Bye.